Good morning, grade sixes. Sorry that we can't have our science lesson together, but I'm going to make you this video and send it to you on YouTube, and then send it in the group so that you can do the work for today, fill in the answers for the homework and today's work, and I can show you what to do for next week. Okay, so sorry about the lesson again. I think my Wi-Fi is very bad, so my Zoom is not working too well. I'm going to try and give you the answers quickly before I get disconnected again. Okay. So let me share my screen for you guys so that you can see what page. Remember, this was for homework. Okay. This is on page 85. Okay. This was for homework. And let me give you the answers for those quickly. Okay. And in the box, we've got Barrier Island, Canyon, Delta, Glacier, Landform, and Sand Dune. Okay, so these are all different landforms. You guys must practice saying them and know what they are, okay, by looking in your textbooks. By looking in this book, you need to study your landforms, okay, the type of landforms. So number one, an area of land that forms at the mouth of a river, that is delta, so C. Number two, a hill formed by blown sand, sand dune. Okay. And number three, a long, narrow strip of land that runs parallel to the coast, a barrier island. All the answers are in your textbook, okay, for the different landforms. Number four, a natural feature on Earth's surface, E, a landform. And number five, a deep, narrow valley with steep sides, a canyon. And number six, a large, thick sheet of ice is a glacier, D. Okay, so I want you to listen how I say the words and then practice saying it at home too, okay? So that you can say it properly and you also know what the different landforms are. Okay, so you can pause the video and take down the answers at home, and then we're going to do the next page. Let me give you the answers. So we go to page 86. Okay, page 86. Okay, what words do we have here? We got barrier islands, canyon, deposited, delta, erode, glaciers, landforms, mouth, rocky cliffs, sand dunes, and steep sides, and U-shaped. Okay, so we need to use those words and finish off our sentences over here. Okay, let's start. Earth's surface is always changing. Natural features on Earth's surface are called landforms. Okay, you guys need to use your textbook to help you get the answers, okay? Running water can carve a canyon. Carve a canyon, a deep, narrow valley with steep sides. Remember, steep sides on a canyon? Very steep. It's straight like this, not like this. This is steep. Okay. Rivers curve when one bank is eroded and the sediments are deposited on the other bank. So that's why it curves on the plains, not in the mountain. Sediments deposited at the of a river, mouth of a river, form an area of land called, remember, at the mouth of a river, we always have a delta. Okay. The constant action of waves can move sand and cause rocky cliffs. to collapse. Remember the picture in our textbooks with the hole in the rocks? So if the waves crash against there, it will break the rocks and it will all fall. Okay. Long, narrow strips of land that run parallel to a coast are called barrier islands. You have the picture in your textbook with the sand, the long piece of sand that is just in front of the land. Okay. Wind carrying sand and bits of rock erode rocks over a period of many years. So we got water, we got wind, and don't forget about the ice. Okay. Wind blows sand into hills called sand dunes. Remember the sand dunes that we looked at? They're like hills made of sand. Large, thick sheets of ice called glaciers creep slowly over land and form U-shaped valleys. Forces change the surface of Earth in many ways over time. Okay, so at home, I want you to practice reading that and saying it by listening to me. Okay, so you can watch the video, you can hear how I say the words, and then you practice saying them at home too. And I want you to also practice saying these words. Okay, the words in the box, I want you to practice saying them, and we need to know what they are. So we look in our textbooks, we look in this book, and you guys need to study and see what the landforms are. So if we say canyon, I want you guys to know what a canyon looks like and what it is, okay? That's what I want you to do for homework, and then we can start with our next section next week. Okay, we'll start with new work, which is, so we go past landforms, and we go to fast changes on Earth. Okay, we're going to start with a new chapter that we'll do next week. I want you guys to have a good weekend, grade 6s, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.